Discover Double Dare's OMG circulation line. The all-natural herb steam shampoo stimulates and thoroughly cleanses the scalp, while the advanced formula delivers a cooling or heating effect, depending on your hair and skin condition. Beyond removing dirt and oil, this shampoo also combats flaking and rough patches of the skin. Let the herb shampoo sit for 15 minutes while you finish your shower activities. The heated herb scalp spray aids in relieving itching and inflammation caused by fatigue and stress. Spray directly onto the scalp and massage lightly with the gua sha. The gua sha can be used to help with fatigue management while increasing relaxation and blood circulation, making cellulite thinner and the skin texture smoother. Hold your gua sha firmly and rub in circles over the scalp, behind the ears, and down the neck for 15 minutes every day. The natural herbal ingredients deliver a moisturizing, calm, and powerfully refreshing feeling,